In this video I am going to tell you about cyclic group, which is a very important part of group. And the cyclic group, first of all, the definition of cyclic group is a group G naught is said to be a cyclic group if there exists an element A in G such that G is equals to A to the power n belongs to Z. Okay, that is, G is generated by A and A is said to be a generator of the cyclic group. In additive notation, G is equals to Na such that n belongs to Z is equals to generated by A. This means that if A be a element and every element of G, we can write like that. Okay, so A be a element, and G be a group. Okay, every element of G is like identity 1, A square, A cube, then we can get that G naught is cyclic group because G is generated by A. Okay friends, so now I am going to tell you about some important notes that can help you to calculate any math on cyclic group. So first note is, if G naught is cyclic and G is generated by A, then G is also generated by A inverse. Okay, second is, every cyclic group is abelian. Okay, third, if G be a finite group and generated by A, these symbols denote generator. Okay, and order of G is equals to n if and only if order of A is equals to n. Okay, fourth important note, let G be a cyclic group and G is generated by A, then order of G is infinite if order of A is infinite. Okay, fifth important note is, a finite group of order n is cyclic if and only if, okay, there exists an element B in G such that order of B is equals to n. Okay, and next, sixth important note, G be a finite cyclic group of order n is cyclic of order n. Okay, of order n, order n is greater than 1. Okay, so G is generated by A, then G get generated by A to the power R for all R belongs to Z, if and only if r is less than n and r is prime to n. Okay, this means GCD of r comma n is equals to 1. And seventh important topic is every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. 8. A cyclic group of prime order has no proper non-trivial subgroup. 9. Every non-trivial subgroup of an infinite cyclic group is finite. Okay, and 10th is a cyclic group of finite order. Group of F for finite order has only one subgroup G for group of order D for every d by n. So friends, my opinion is, please note down all of them and I will give examples in my next video.